So when it comes down to harvesting lettuce, there's two simple way. There's one way which takes the lettuce a longer time to regrow, and there's another way which regrow the lettuce faster. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Real quick, when you're harvesting lettuce, you want to make sure your leaves at least 4 to 6 inches. Harvest in the morning time. The morning time, the lettuce is more rich, it's more healthy, it's more crispy in the morning time. Always remember too, lettuce needs a lot more water than regular plant. Lettuce are best growing in spring or early fall. When spacing your lettuce, you want to space them out 6 to 8 inches. If you do 6 inches and you see your lettuce is growing and they're getting puffy, you want to make sure you start harvesting, or it gets too crowded and then you get a lot of bugs and stuff could come in and hide inside. So let me show you guys how I harvest lettuce so I keep getting multiple harvests in a faster time. Now, do not pull out your plant unless you need this space, guys. All right, now when it comes down to it, you could get a knife, a scissors, or a pruner, and you could come right here and you see the main root to the bottom right there. You kind of hold everything together and you cut it, but you keep the bottom piece right there so the bottom will grow back. And you see that? So that's how we have one way. You see all these leaves in the middle right here? We cut off all this. Now if we didn't do that, all these little leaves could have grown and we could have get more harvest in a faster time. So we do not touch the smaller leaves inside. We come from the out, and you could use your pruner, you could use a scissors, you could even pinch it out with your hand and you make cuts like this. See that? You could even use your hands. I would recommend cutting all of the outer leaves. So by we cutting out all of the outer leaves, we have a full harvest. And now by cutting out all the outer leaves, our garden have more space here. See, now it's a lot more room. And by we're not gonna cut out the whole plant, we're leaving the small ones. Now the small ones are gonna grow. So say example, today's Monday, we harvest on a Monday, right? We could come back within another couple days and we could harvest again, because now we just took out all the big leaves. So instead of the plant using the energy from the outer leaves, even like this one we could remove, the plant will now use the energy on the smaller leaves. Think about this, that plant has to give all these leaf energy every single day to keep them alive. So if we remove all the big one, which this is why we grow the plant, now the plant use less energy and more energy to the smaller one, and we get a faster harvest. So come back in a couple days, this one is gonna grow like this, and then we harvest more. As you can see, after I cut out all of the outer leaf, all these smaller leaves gonna grow and get bigger within a couple days, and I'm gonna come back here for another harvest again. So right here, guys, a bunch of lettuce. And you guys gotta always make sure you wash your lettuce off real well, let them dry, and then store them in your fridge. Put them in Ziploc bags or containers. I always save those containers from the store and stuff, and I put these guys back in. So follow my tips, guys. Follow the way how I harvest lettuce. Pull out the outer leaves, leave the small leaves, give them a chance to grow, and they will grow back really fast. So this way, for an example, say Monday, and you eat some salad Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then come Friday you ran out. You don't run out. You go back to your garden. You go back to your garden. Those small one is grown big, and you could go ahead and harvest. Guys, if you're all about garden and you want to learn and grow a better garden, or even just hanging out with Green Tea, subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button, guys. It's 100% free, and if you click the bell icon, every time I upload a video, you guys will get a notification saying Green Tea Garden just upload a video. So I'll see you guys next time. Any question or a comment, please comment below. I always try to answer you guys' question, and I'll see you next time on Green Tea Garden.